Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a highly popular, lightweight, and powerful racket designed for intermediate and recreational players seeking a blend of comfort, control, and easy power. Known for its unique construction, the T.S6 features a graphite and titanium composite frame, offering excellent strength while keeping the racket extremely light at approximately 8.9 ounces, unstrung. Its oversized 115 square in. Head provides a generous sweet spot, reducing mishits and enhancing forgiveness, making it ideal for players who want help with consistency and depth. The racket has a 27.75-inch extended length, adding leverage for more powerful ground strokes and serves. It comes pre-strung by Head, which is convenient for beginners or casual players who want to play right away. The 16x19 string pattern allows for decent spin potential, and the racket's head-heavy balance delivers extra momentum through the ball without requiring a fast swing. Despite being lightweight, the T.S6 does not sacrifice stability, thanks to its titanium-reinforced frame. Its comfort-focused design helps reduce vibration, which can minimize arm fatigue and the risk of tennis elbow. It's particularly well-suited for older players, beginners, or those with moderate swing speeds who prioritize ease of use and arm comfort. To summarize, the Head T.S6 is a well-balanced, durable, and performance-friendly racket that delivers easy power and forgiveness. It is a top choice for players who want a quality racket with minimal effort, straight out of the box, from a trusted brand like Head. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is a high-performance tennis racket designed for intermediate to advanced players who seek a balanced combination of power, comfort, and control. Released in 2022, the 7th generation E-Zone 100 continues Yonex's reputation for innovation and player-focused design. This racket features a 100 square in. Head size, a 300G unstrung weight, and a 16x19 string pattern, offering an ideal blend of power and spin potential. Its most notable enhancement is the 2G NAM speed graphite in the shaft, which improves frame flex and snapback for faster ball speed and improved feel. The isometric head shape, a signature Yonex design, enlarges the sweet spot by 7%, enhancing forgiveness and stability on off-center shots. Vibration dampening mesh (VDM) is embedded in the handle to reduce unwanted vibrations, resulting in a more comfortable and arm-friendly experience, great for players sensitive to impact shock. With a slightly stiffer frame than previous models, around SW320 plus strung, the E-Zone 100 7th Gen delivers solid baseline power while still providing good maneuverability for volleys and returns. It's highly versatile, making it a favorite among aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. For authenticity, ensure you purchase from authorized Yonex dealers or official Yonex partners, as counterfeits are common in the tennis market. Summary: the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is a powerful, spin-friendly, and comfortable racket ideal for versatile players. It blends modern technology with a user-friendly design and is a reliable choice for intermediate and advanced players. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket. Summary: grip sizes 1 to 4. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a premium unstrung performance tennis racket designed for competitive players who seek control, feel, and spin. Built with Wilson's latest technologies and precision engineering, this 9th generation blade continues the legacy of one of the most popular rackets among intermediate to advanced players. Featuring a 16x19 string pattern, the V9 offers a perfect blend of spin potential and control, making it ideal for aggressive baseline players who like to dictate points with topspin and precision. The 98 square inch head size delivers excellent ball feedback and tight control, while the standard 27-inch length supports full swings and versatility across all areas of the court. Key upgrades in this model include stable feel technology, providing a more connected to the ball feel and improved stability on impact. It also uses Direct Connect, which fuses the carbon fiber handle directly into the end cap for enhanced torsional stability. The racket sports a bold design with a matte emerald green finish, reflecting both heritage and modern aesthetics. Offered in grip sizes 1 to 4, the Wilson Blade 98 V9 suits a variety of hand sizes. Players can customize the feel further with their choice of strings. This unstrung version allows personal stringing preferences for optimal performance. In short, the Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a top choice for serious players seeking a controlled, stable, and spin-friendly racket with premium build quality and a modern touch. Number 4. Best Tennis Racket for Power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a powerful and modern frame with excellent feel and spin potential. Weighing 300 grams, unstrung, it offers a great balance of stability and maneuverability, making it suitable for aggressive baseline players. This racket features Solinco's Power Flex Zone, which enhances the racket's snapback and energy return, leading to explosive shot power. The 40T carbon fiber construction provides increased strength and responsiveness while maintaining comfort. The standard 100 square in head size offers a solid blend of control and forgiveness, and the 16x19 string pattern helps generate ample spin for topspin heavy strokes and sharp angles. Players appreciate the Blackout 300's crisp, controlled response and the ability to hit heavy, penetrating ground strokes. Despite its power focus, it remains surprisingly arm-friendly, thanks to a well-designed frame geometry and dampening features. At net, the racket is quick to maneuver, ideal for fast reaction volleys, while on serve, it allows for both pace and spin variation. It competes well with other power rackets like the Babolat Pure Drive or Wilson Ultra, but offers a more controlled and plush feel. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a high-performance, power-oriented racket with added spin potential and a comfortable feel. It is ideal for players who want explosive power without sacrificing too much control or comfort. For authenticity, purchase only from official Solinco retailers or authorized dealers to ensure you receive a genuine product. Number 5. Best Tennis Racket for Control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a premium unstrung tennis racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking precision, control, and feel. As part of Wilson's iconic Pro Staff line, it maintains the classic characteristics players love while integrating modern upgrades for enhanced performance. This 14th generation V14 model features a 97 square inch head size, offering a compact sweet spot that rewards clean technique. With a weight of 315 g, unstrung, and a 16x19 string pattern, the racket delivers excellent stability and control while providing decent spin potential. It's ideal for aggressive baseline players and those who prefer to construct points with precision rather than raw power. The racket includes Wilson's Paradigm bending technology, which enhances the flex in the shaft and hoop for improved control and feel. It also incorporates braided graphite plus Kevlar construction, giving it the classic Pro Staff touch and feedback that many professionals and purists appreciate. The design is sleek and modern, with an elegant, earthy brown and matte finish that offers a sophisticated look while reducing glare. Players like Roger Federer have influenced the Pro Staff line, though the 97 version is slightly lighter and more forgiving than the heavier RF 97 Autograph. Note, this is an unstrung racket, meaning players can customize the string type and tension to their preference. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is best suited for players who value control, precision, and a traditional feel in a modern performance package.